National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Randolph County in northeastern West Virginia, central Pocahontas County in northeastern West Virginia, central Webster County in northeastern West Virginia, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Webster Springs, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Monterville, Slady Fork, Addison Webster Springs, Upper Glade, Winetta, Boggs, Cowan, Webster Springs, Mingo, Valley Head, Burgoo, Erbigan, Camden-on-Gauley, and Camden-on-Gauley.
That's the same location. I really don't know why they say certain locations twice.